Every day I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram at FABIOLAGOFFICIal. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing. So as you probably saw in the thumbnail picture, today I'm going to be unboxing the new Victoria's Secret Advent Calendar, the Ultimate Bombshell Collection. And I am beyond excited that I was able to finally get my hands on this beauty. This actually launched way back at the end of November, and it started selling for $170, which in my opinion, I think is a little bit overpriced. It does say that it is retail value is of $265, but I wanted to wait because I know everything eventually goes on sale, and sure enough it did. When Black Friday came, it went down in price, and then Cyber Monday even better. So I did go online, and unfortunately it did take me a little bit long to click the submit button. And when I finally did, it had already sold out within minutes. So I wasn't too quick on that, but thankfully my best friend Janine suggested that I go to the Victoria's Secret store and see if they had it, and sure enough they did. They still had a few in stock, so huge shout out to her because finally I was able to get it, and I did get it for the amazing sale price of the Cyber Monday, which was incredible. And today we're going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to share with you what's inside. So here it is. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the color, and I am just super happy with this. I think I'm going to save this box and just keep it as like a decor piece. I think it's absolutely stunning. It does have this beautiful red ribbon and then the gold Victoria's Secret logo here in the front. So let me go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to open all the 12 numbers so I can show you what's inside. So here it is. It's in this beautiful pink. It does have a little card, and then you get 12 gorgeous surprises inside of the calendar. So let's go ahead and get started, and we're gonna see what's inside. So here's the calendar. Like I said, it's beautiful. Love the packaging. Love the color selection, and it's actually in a very nice sturdy case. So if you want to save this as a decor piece, you definitely can. So the inside looks like this. It is gorgeous. It has this beautiful area here with little drawers that you pull out, and there are 12 numbers in there. It says discover the magic of Bombshell, and then on the inside it just has like a little note right there. So number one, actually let me take this clear piece out so we can better see what's inside. So number one is the actual perfume. So this is number one. It is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. It is one of their newer perfumes, and this on their website retails for $54. It is not the big size. This is the smaller size in 1.7 fluid ounces, and it does retail for $54. It smells incredible. It's super sweet. If you love sweet scents, you're definitely going to love this one. The packaging is beautiful. It has the little Victoria's Secret stripes. Okay, so number two is a full-size lip gloss. This one is in the shade Passion, and this is a full-size lip gloss. It retails for $14.95. This shade is definitely very pretty, and it's a color that I would definitely use. Number three is right here on the bottom. It is a fragrant bath bar. This I think is very strange, just because I've never seen a bath bar at Victoria's Secret. This is super small. It definitely reminds me of those bath bars that you get at hotels. So I can't even tell you what I would think this is retailed for. It is very small, and it's supposed to be in the scent Bombshell. I'm sure it smells incredible. Here is number four. This is a mini size of the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Magic. It's a little mini size, and it's absolutely adorable. Like, how cute is this? It does have like the little Victoria's Secret stripes in the back, and I actually love the fact that they included a little spray to go with it. So that is a huge plus. It's absolutely stunning. It's super tiny, but it is adorable. Next we have number 5. So this is number 5, Bombshell Seduction. Again, it's a very small, tiny perfume. Super cute and adorable, and I'm sure it smells super nice. Next we have number 6, and it looks like it's a candle. It is a mini size candle in the scent Bombshell Seduction. It smells so incredibly nice. This is something that I would definitely burn in my bedroom. It smells so, so nice. And it is a 2-ounce candle, so it is like a mini size. Number 7 is another full-size lip gloss. This one here is in the shade Bombshell, and it retails for $14.95. It is such a pretty color. It's like a light mauvey pink color with shimmer. So pretty. Next we have number 8. This one here is the Bombshell perfume, the original one. So it's basically a mini size of the big perfume that is for number 1. So it's just like a little mini version of it. Next we have number 9. And it is a keychain. It's a very cute little keychain. It almost looks like a little perfume bottle. It has like pink and shimmer and then like this little rhinestone in there. Absolutely beautiful, and it does say Victoria's Secret in the back. Very, very pretty. They do have a very similar one on their website. Actually, I like the one on their website better because it has like this little like dangle charm beside the perfume, and that one on their website I believe retails for $12. So if you do want to get this little perfume keychain, you can get it separately on their website. I'll link it down below, but it is very, very cute. Next we have number 10, and it is another candle. This one here is another mini size candle. It is the Bombshell Intense, and oh my goodness, this smells incredible. I think this is one of my favorite scents so far from both of the candles that I opened. It smells so, so nice, and it is a 2-ounce mini candle. Next we have 11. It's another candle. This one is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell candle. Again, it smells so nice, very, very fresh and sweet. It is a 2-ounce candle, and I love this packaging. It's so pretty and pink. And last but not least, we have number 12 in here, and it is another mini perfume. This one is the Bombshell Intense in the mini size, and I'm sure this smells incredible because the candle smelled so good. So I can't wait to use this one, and I love that it has like this like little red packaging. So cute. So that was it for today's video. Let me know, what are your thoughts on this advent calendar? Do you think it's worth $170, or do you think they literally overpriced it? Like I said, in my opinion, I think it was super overpriced. I wouldn't have even paid $100 for this, just because what's inside, I don't think it matches the price that they suggested on the actual price tag. But other than that, I think it's beautiful. It's super cute. If you were able to get it for the Cyber Monday sale, I think you got an amazing deal. And if you ended up paying the actual $170, then I really think that they definitely did overprice this calendar. And I think that's something that they do every year. They literally overprice every single advent calendar. But in my opinion, I think it's a beautiful calendar, and I'm really happy that I got it for the price that I did. I hope you all loved today's video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.